Hello friends, I hope you're doing great. We're here with a tutorial on how to deposit into your account at the JustMarket broker using ERC20 Tether. As you saw, we successfully registered and verified our identity at this broker, and now we're on the main page of our user dashboard. To start the deposit process, we select our desired account from the displayed accounts and click on the deposit option. On the next page, we select the Tether USDT option from the available methods. Again, on the following page, we need to choose our desired account and set the method to Tether USDT. And from the available networks, you select the ERC20 network. In the next section, you select the amount you want to deposit and click on the deposit option. After clicking on the deposit option, you'll enter the next page where the destination address is displayed to you. After clicking on the deposit option, you will be taken to the next page where the destination address will be displayed to you. Enter it into your wallet on your mobile phone. Select the desired amount, i.e., Tether on the Ethereum network, and click on the Send option. In the first part, enter the destination address, and in the second part, select the desired amount to deposit, or you can simply click on this option. Scan the displayed QR code and easily complete the deposit operation. Click on the Next option. On this page, the sender's address, the destination address, the fee amount, and the total amount will be displayed to you. By clicking on the Confirm option and entering your password, the payment process will be completed. After a few minutes, you'll see that your desired deposit amount has been confirmed, and you can return to the JustMarket broker. After returning to your account, you will see that the desired amount has been deposited into your account. To view more details in the funding and transaction history section, you can view your withdrawal details in this section. By clicking on the Details button, you will be shown more details in the AutoConch narrative. This was the tutorial on depositing to the JustMarket broker via the Tether ERC20 method. Stay with us for more tutorials. Goodbye.